is a very key platform for engaging with the manufacturing ecosystem. So, what are the products, technologies, or capabilities that ISJEC is showcasing at Imtex this time?
As machine tool manufacturer, especially for the forming sector, we are one of the leading manufacturer in India and exporting to 27 countries worldwide as MBD product. Otherwise, as a group, we are exporting to 96 countries. Here we produce the latest high productivity machines. We are upgrading ourselves with the latest technology, which includes the key products includes transfer presses, uh, servo presses, hydraulic presses with high speeds, and progressive die presses, forging presses, and the new product which we introduced recently are the press brakes and high-speed machines with the complete solution.
Okay. ISJEC has built strong capabilities across machine building and process equipment. How do you define the current role of machine building divisions within ISJEC's broader growth and diversification strategy? You mentioned about the expansion plan.
Yeah, the market is upbeat and India is growing and there is lot of expansion going on in the automotive sector and our product is capital requirement for component manufacturer and there is substantial growth in next 2 to 3 years to cope up the increased demand. We have already went for 2 expansions which are complete and 2 more expansions we are going ahead just to make our capacity double the existing capacity. So earlier we were doing somewhere around 400, 500 crores as a forming business for the machine building. Now we have reached to 800 and we plan to reach 1500 in next 2 to 3 years.
Okay.
And for that we are expanding, enhancing the capital. Skill required skill is also one of the problems. We have started training the people. We have created one school for training the people in-house and we are growing the manpower not only for ISJEC, for India.
From your vantage point, what structural shifts are shaping the demand in the industry, and how should Indian machine builders prepare for the next phase of growth?
You mean to say how the Indian industry is
Exactly, because you are a capital equipment sector and you are seeing a very renewed momentum which has come to the manufacturing sector. So you have a vantage point wherein you can see how the industry is performing.
We are expanding mostly in the organic growth. We are also expanding with the new products. And you can say the products which are similar to the existing business. And we see a growth not only in auto sector, in defense sector, in steel sector, and also in aerospace. And we are catering the requirement of that area also through our hydraulic and servo machines. And we have good share of business and the future seems very bright for these kind of products also. So there is growth requirement and we are ready for that from capacity wise also, from technology products.
Spoke about expansion.
Yeah.
So could you let us know what are where you are investing and which are the new factories which are coming up?
We are expanding near the existing facility. In the existing facility of 50 acres, we don't have much space left. So there is another facility of the same area. And there we are going to put up the new facilities. The capacity will be doubled. The work has already been started. We will be ready to use that facility from June or July onwards.